Thanks to tech innovation from the bigger drone brands, the best budget drones have become far more feature-packed. But with so many choices out there, it is not always easy to figure out which one is best. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 budget drones on the market this year based on price, video quality, features, and situations they will be used in. So whether you're a beginner looking for a great value drone or the best bang for your buck, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which budget drone will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up is the Holy Stone HS110D, our pick for the best budget drone for beginners. With a price tag under $70, the Holy Stone HS110D is perfect for anyone wanting to test out the world of drones, and is a great way to introduce beginners to the concept of drone flying without breaking the bank or breaking a more expensive drone. The Holy Stone HS110D looks very similar to the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, but just imagine it as a smaller version. It's made of high-grade ABS plastic and can withstand pretty solid impacts without showing too much wear for it, making it a good practice drone. Its bottom-mounted camera can take 1080p HD videos and has a 2-megapixel camera for still photos and has fairly decent image quality for the price. With all things considered, it performs better than expected. If you're looking for better video capabilities, then you may want to check out the Eachine E52 Max coming up next. The HS110D's controller comes with a built-in LCD display. One downside is that there is little to no description directly on the controller, so you will have a bit of a learning curve. One nifty feature is the headless mode function, which is especially helpful for new pilots. It makes the controller act more like a steering wheel, so that if you turn right, the drone will turn right, regardless of which way the drone itself is facing. The HS110D only has a 50-meter controller range, which is on the low side, but on the flip side, for new pilots, keeping the drone flying closer means less chance for lost drones. The Holy Stone HS110D is definitely a contender for a top drone in the beginner's market. Although there are some slight downfalls, like a shorter controller range and lower video quality, but its extremely low price point, decent performance, and overall durability makes it one of the best starter drones for new pilots, plus it won't make you cry if it gets lost or damaged during flight training. Next, we have the Eachine E52 Max, our pick for the best budget 4K drone. If you have a bit more money to spend, and you are looking for a 4K drone that is still extremely affordable, then at under $150, the Eachine E52 Max is definitely worth considering. Eachine focuses mostly on making solid entry-level, budget-friendly drones. The Eachine E52 Max offers 4K recording, and is an incredibly affordable entry-level drone for hobbyists. You will find the E52 bears a striking resemblance to the DJI Mavic Air, and although it's not quite on par with the Mavic Air, but when considering it's only a quarter of the price, the E52 performs admirably and gives you 4K aerial video footage with a 120-degree field of view at a fraction of the price. The flight performance is solid and relatively stable even in windy conditions. There are several preset flight modes on the free Eachine Android or iOS app, including a follow me mode that lets the drone follow you around giving you aerial selfies. Another nifty feature is the first person view feature, which can stream live video up to 270 yards. The remote control is comfortable to hold with a transmission range of around 330 yards. Unfortunately, the E52 doesn't come with a gimbal or software stabilization, but there is a 6-axis gyroscope within the drone that provides some stability during flight to minimize shakes. The 1200 mAh battery gives you a respectable 15 minutes of flight time, which is longer than many other drones in its price range. On the downside, the Eachine E52 Max does feel like a cheaper drone with a softer plastic feel versus some DJI options, but its quality during filming and actually flying, plus the savings in price, more than makes up for it. If you're eager to jump into the world of drones, but don't want to spend a lot of money, you'll be more than surprised by the overall performance and 4K video quality of the Eachine E52 Max. It's a great budget drone that presents excellent value for dollar. Lastly, we have the DJI Mavic Mini, our pick for the best overall budget drone. If you've been waiting for a top-of-the-line drone that strikes an ideal balance between price, performance, and ease of use, then at under $400, the Mavic Mini is one of the best budget drones you can buy from the DJI family that combines plenty of powerful features with a streamlined flight experience, minus the heavy price tag of its DJI cousins. The Mavic Mini may be on the cheaper end of the DJI family, but it's jam-packed with great core features like a 30-minute flight time, 2.5-mile HD video transmission, 3-axis gimbal holding a 2.7K camera, and a physical controller that works with both Android and iOS devices, and comes with safety features to stabilize outdoor flight and an automated return-to-home function. Once folded, the lightweight Mavic Mini is instantly portable and fits in the palm of your hand. The images are above par, and it can capture either 12-megapixel stills or spectacular 2.7K video. Despite its small size and being lightweight, the Mavic Mini flies every bit as well as its bigger and heavier Mavic cousins, and can also fly into smaller spaces easily and safely. With its GPS and downward vision sensors, the Mavic Mini can hover precisely both indoors and outdoors. There's also a Find My Drone option in the app should you need to retrieve the Mavic Mini after an unplanned landing, which of course happens to the best of us. The biggest caveat for the Mavic Mini is the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors, which would have been useful for novice flyers. The DJI Mavic Mini is clearly one of the best feature-packed wallet-friendly drones on the market, and is perfect for content creators, enthusiasts, and novice flyers alike. The only downside is that it doesn't have 4K video. If you're absolutely wanting 4K video, then the Eachine E52 Max may be a better choice for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.